the next property you're going to look at is the margin. Okay, that's the margin. The margin property controls the gap between boxes and the value is given in pixels. Okay, you can also use m's or percentages, but it is usually in pixels. Now I've also explained that when one box sits on top of the other, it is difficult for the browser to render it unless we indicate to the browser that there are spaces, there are margins within these two particular boxes. Now when you are specifying the values too, you can as well do the margin top, the margin right, the margin bottom, and the margin left, and can also do it by using a shorthand, giving all the other size in one by not specifying the top, the right, the bottom, or the left. So when you indicate, let's say 1 2 3 4, the 1 goes to the top, the 2 goes to the right, the 3 goes to the bottom, whilst the 4 goes to the left. Okay, you can also sometimes, okay, see some programmers writing the left and the right should be 10 pixels, whilst the top and the bottom should have 20. In this case, it will be written in this way. So 10 20. The moment you see it this way, that means that top and bottom are going for this, okay, whilst the left and right are going for the other one. So the first one indicates the right and left, whilst the second one indicates the top and then the bottom. And again, just like padding, child elements do not inherit. Okay, it doesn't inherit the property of its parent element. It doesn't. This is what you're going to use to explain the margin. I'm going straight into my text editor and we are going to see this thing in action. Now this is the text editor. Now in my HTML section, I've added these two paragraphs which we use in the padding. So I'm going to write rules for them to explain what margin is. So this is the rule I'm going to use. I want the width of 200, border of 2 pixels, and I want it solid and a color, and then the padding of 10 pixels. And now in the other paragraph with the class of example, I'll give a margin of 20. So you see the separation between two of these boxes. Let me save it, Ctrl S. Let me go to my browser and then refresh. Let me scroll down. Now you can see this is the padding. From the top of the box to the letters here is what we call the padding, while the spaces between these two particular boxes is the margin we are leaving. Okay,